Hello there beautiful people, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Chat GPT to make money online in 2023. And you're going to be doing that using Amazon KDP. So if you go to this screenshot right here, you're going to see that one of my students was able to make over $5,838 in the month of September alone. Okay, as you can see, that's in the year of 2022. So this is proof that you need to actually pay attention to what I'm about to share with you in this video, guys. So without further ado, let's delve right into it. So what are the steps? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to actually get a Chat GPT account. So to get a Chat GPT account, all you have to do is head over to a new tab. So I'm going to use an incognito tab because I'm already logged in. So go to investorblack.com/chatgpt. It's going to take you to the page where you have to actually put in your login details. Yeah, so this is the page you're going to be seeing once you head over to investorblack.com/chatgpt. You're going to be seeing this right here. So all you have to do is click on sign up, then put in your login details, and you're going to be having your Chat GPT account set. So all you have to do is put in your email, click I'm not a robot, and click on continue. You can also use your Google account or Microsoft account, but I don't recommend you do that. So after you must have gotten your Chat GPT account, the next thing you need to do is to get an Amazon KDP account. You can do that by heading over to kdp.amazon.com, as you can see. So as you click on kdp.amazon.com, it's going to take you to this page right here. Okay, I'm already an Amazon user normally, so I'm logged in on Amazon. So all I have to do is click sign in. If you don't have an Amazon account, still click sign in. You see the button to actually register. All you have to do is give them your login details. Just in case you're having issues registering, there's a detailed video on how to set up an Amazon account. It's going to be popping up at the top right corner of this video right now. So all you have to do is open that video in a new tab and watch the video to set up your Amazon KDP account. So after you must have set your Amazon KDP account, the next thing you need to do is to get a reference book on based on product research. So what I mean by this is that you need to model after a book that is doing well on Amazon KDP or any platform that you intend to actually publish your book to. Okay, so you copy what works already. So all you have to do is do your product research using the Amazon KDP search engine. You're going to find the top product and you're going to try to replicate that product. So I'm going to link a video in the description that shows how to do search engine optimization and keyword research for Amazon KDP. You can go check that video out as well. It's going to be popping up at the top right corner of this video right now. So after you must have done your research and you've seen what is working already, all you have to do is model your book after that book. Okay, what I mean by modeling your book after that book, that's where we need Chat GPT. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do that in this video, guys. So after you must have gotten your reference, the next thing you need to do is to actually get the book outline. So you've gotten the book, now you want to get the book outline, and you can do that using Chat GPT, and I'm going to be showing you in this video. So all you have to do is head over to Chat GPT. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm currently logged in. As you can see, I log out. I'm currently logged in Chat GPT right now. Mine is dark, but by default it's supposed to be light like this, but I prefer the dark mode. That's why it's dark like this. So basically we want to actually get the outlines of the book. So let's assume I've gotten a book. So I'm going to just do a quick search to get a book, then I'm going to show you how to get the outline of that book, guys. Okay guys, so I just opened this in an incognito window just to actually show you how to do the research, but I'm not going to dwell on that. I'm going to just do it really quickly. So let's pretend I'm looking for a book on self-help. So how to manage time. Okay, something as simple as that. Then you're going to see the top sellers. You're going to see books that are doing really well. Okay, let's say for example, time management, how to manage time. This one is sold for $23. So how to manage your home and time. Okay, so you're going to check for the author. So I'm going to just use this as my own reference book for the purpose of not wasting time in this video. Okay, so the book we are going to be modeling now is this particular one. Basically all you're going to be looking at is the book itself, the cover, how the cover looks, the title, things that are included in the title, and the description. Okay, the description of the book, you're going to be copying the description. Basically, success leaves clues. If you copy a successful person, you will be successful. So that's basically my whole ideology. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replicate something like this. So all you have to do is check for the title of the book and the author. Okay, so the title of the book is Time Management and the author is Dominic Mann. Okay, so all you have to do is go back to Chat GPT and ask him this simple prompt. So I'm going to minimize this page, then I'm going to close this Amazon. I'm going to go to Chat GPT, then I'm going to say list out all the book outline for, then I'm going to go back to my minimized page, Time Management by Dominic Mann. Okay, Time Management by Dominic Mann. Hit enter. Okay, so it's not familiar with the book. Okay, so one thing you can do is to ask it like, okay, list out, let's just say I want to do like 11 outline for a book titled Time Management. Okay, so it's going to actually give you some outlines that you can use to start writing your book. I highly recommend, if you're actually trying to mirror a book, you could go ahead to download that book, check their titles, check their outlines. But for the purpose of not wasting time, let's just assume these are the outlines of the book I'm trying to model after. Okay, so you've gotten the outlines for the book. Now all you have to do is write under each and every of these outlines. But before you write, there are parts of a book that needs to be included in your book. So I'm going to go to my Google Jamboard. As you can see, we have the book cover, the book title, the copyright page, the table of content page, the dedication page, the forward page, the prologue page, and the epilogue page. Okay, so basically these are all you need to actually get. So we can get our book cover, our title page. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and write a title page for the book title above. Okay, as you can see, since you've already given it information before from your previous chat, it's gonna actually start writing a title page. And as you can see, you have by Investor Black, let's just say something like that, a practical guide. So all you have to do is just copy this and paste on your title page. So it could be more than this. After this, you can actually write about yourself on that page, but this is just the title page. Then the next part of it is the copyright page. So you can go to ChatGPT and do like write a copyright page for the book. Then you put in book title, Time Management by Black. Okay, so you hit the enter button. It's gonna start writing. Okay, it's gonna write a simple copyright page for your book, as you can see right here. Okay, the next part of the book is, so while we wait for it to load, is the dedication, the forward, the prologue. Okay, so all you have to do is just repeat everything here until you get all these parts of this book. Then you go back to start writing the table of contents. Remember, the table of contents is the first thing that we got from our book. If you go closely, you're going to see that this is the table of contents. Okay, so it shows you everything. So this, we can call this chapters. Okay, so you can write chapters. Okay, so for this particular chapter, understanding the importance of time management, you can copy this. Okay, let me show you a quick trick. Copy this, Ctrl C, then go down to the chat box, then ask ChatGPT to give you most commonly asked questions around the topic. So what are the 10 commonly asked questions on the topic? Then you put in your quotes, then you paste the topic, then you hit enter. So you're gonna actually get some more list of ideas to write under. Okay, so you just write one paragraph or two paragraph under each of this. Then you go to the next one. What are the 10 most commonly asked questions? Write more paragraph. You go to the next one. So as you can see, what is time management? How does effective management. So let's see if this is replicated. So we come here, understanding, identifying, implementing, managing. Okay, so under the first one, understanding the importance of time management, you have all these outlines. Once you've so all you have to do is, let's say for example this particular first one, you copy it, paste it here, then you say write a 4-paragraph article on, or say a 4-paragraph chapter, or write a chapter or a book chapter, okay, chapter on the topic. Then you put your quotes, then you paste it inside, Ctrl V, then you hit the go button, okay, and Chat GPT is gonna write. Whenever this happens, just copy this. Let me show you. Copy this. It's normal, okay. A lot of people are using this app at once. Just refresh your page. Once you refresh your page, come back and paste it, okay. So I'm going to paste that again, then I'm going to hit enter, and see time management is blah 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 blah, okay. So as you can see, it's writing the remaining chapters, okay. It's writing the remaining chapters. So you're going to do that for each and every commonly asked question under each and every outline, okay. Remember, we have our outline. So that's basically how you're going to be doing it, okay. So once you've gotten everything about your book, plus all these parts of your book, plus under the table of contents, you've gotten the commonly asked questions and you've written on them, you're going to have a complete book. The next thing you need to do is to create a very cool book cover. I made a video on that, so I'm going to be leaving all these videos in the list in the description. You can go check them out if you're interested in making passive income like this client of mine that actually studied under me, okay. So basically, once you've done that, you can now publish your book. I also made a video on how to publish your book. Chat GPT is something that won't be free forever, okay. If you've not noticed, it's getting popularity really fast. So make the most out of it, because a lot of people are looking to make them ban it because of it's going to take over a lot of people's jobs. So while we wait for that, do well to use it to the fullest of its potential. Try to see how you can actually get creative with Chat GPT. In my next video, I'm going to show you other ways of making money with Chat GPT. There are a bunch of ways, including writing codes and stuff like that. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to achieve that. I hope this video has been helpful. If it hasn't, give me a thumbs down. If it has, give me a thumbs up, because your opinion really matters to me. So once you've gotten your book outlines, write on each outline exactly what I've already explained to you. Once you write on each outline, create a book cover. Once you've created your book cover, publish to Amazon Kindle, and your money is going to start rolling in few weeks, okay. Especially if you modeled after a book that is actually doing well on Amazon KDP. The chances are people that like that book are going to like yours as well, and they're going to be reading yours. And because of it took you little or no too much effort to actually create the book, you can create multiple of those books and put them on Amazon using different covers, different titles and stuff like that, and you're going to be getting more sales from each and every of this book, and you're going to be making money online. So I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping more videos like this on different ways of making money. If you've tried affiliate marketing and you have not succeeded with affiliate marketing, don't worry. On this my channel, I'm going to be doing live case studies. When I mean live case study, you're going to be seeing the back end of my system. You're going to be seeing my statistics. You're going to be seeing me run ads and stuff like that. That is all part of the plan for 2023. So if you like that kind of knowledge, if you like that kind of information, if you're a total newbie and you want to actually start seeing things from my own perspective, how I tackle situations in the digital marketing world, then subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, guys. Have a nice day and I love you. Bye.